So, ladies and gents, today is day 15 of uploading of the challenge, and so far we have uploaded 14 long form videos, and this will be the 15th one. So, yeah, pretty excited. Plus, a bit sad that the challenge is halfway through because yeah, you learn a lot from these things, when you push yourself. And yeah, so basically we are in IKEA with my um, your team, but yeah, that's my brother. What's your name? Yeah. Then we are with this guy.
Hello everybody.
Yeah. So, yeah, life is strange, weird. Few of us were adopted. So, ladies and gents, obviously you know that we are in IKEA, so I thought that I would share a few interesting facts about IKEA and how their business model works. It's mainly business, okay? So, they sell more than just a furniture, okay? IKEA is like one of the largest food retailers, okay, of Swedish meatballs and other Scandinavian food. Who would have thought that? Second, they were the first ones who invented the flat pack furnitures in the 1950s. So you can get a whole furniture flattened in a box. And they have a 5-point formula called the democratic design, combining form, function, quality, sustainability, and low price. So yeah, and IKEA is technically a non-profit. So the IKEA group is owned by a foundation, okay, and it's based in Netherlands, and it's structured this way to avoid hostile takeovers and minimize taxes, although it still functions as a for-profit company. So yeah, if you're a business owner, you can learn a lot from them. Plus, the way how their business model works is the cost leadership through volume is amazing because IKEA focuses on high volume, low margin sales. Okay, it sells huge quantities of affordable furniture, which allows negotiation and all this stuff. Number two, it's in-house design, okay, and customer accessibility. So IKEA controls the entire design process, okay, to minimize material use and optimize shipping. So what basically that does is when a customer goes, okay, and he buys a product, he can go to his house and literally make that product with his own hands, like assembling a chair or a table. So that gives the customer a more real hands-on thing, and it makes the product feel real, okay, rather than buying something and then just keeping it. You have to make it, so you feel you have more value for it. Plus, the global supply chain is so efficient, so you can go to Dubai, Singapore, India, America, Europe, you can go anywhere. The IKEA will be the same, okay? The same hallways, the design, the way how it looks from the outside, the big board is the same, okay? and it has 1,800 suppliers in more than 50 countries. Okay, so IKEA builds strong long-term relationships and they co-invest in improving supplies. So yeah, plus the experimental retail, they experiment their products. Okay, they are sustainability and strategy. What that means is IKEA heavily invests in sustainable practices. That's why their tables usually break. So I wouldn't recommend a table from there unless it's bamboo. So that's good. Okay, and yeah, they diversify the revenue stream. So aside from selling furniture, they sell food. Okay, IKEA now invest in urban living innovations, smart homes, renewable energy, and it's also expanding with city center showrooms and online shipping platforms. So basically, IKEA is a business hub, and if you're a business owner, you can learn so much from them. So I recommend you go to IKEA with a open mind, okay, and understand how the system works. Yeah, that's enough about me.